Hi there, and welcome to week 4 class. This week's focus is on social media. The idea of social media in different formats in schools to work maybe as a PLC, to work with your students, or working with your parents. I know this is a topic that is fairly new for education because schools are finally starting to loosen their rules a little bit on social media in terms of classroom use. We're not going to get into as much of the legality aspect of it. Should you friend students, should you not, things like that. And keep in mind, when we're talking about social media, we're talking in general. Now, we're not necessarily talking about Facebook. We could be talking about things like Collaborize or Edmodo, or things like that. So don't focus strictly on the social medias that everybody knows about, like Twitter and Facebook, even though that those are great tools that, if used correctly in your classroom, can be great learning experiences. But let's touch upon just any types of social media. We've got a lot of them. Like I said, we're familiar with Facebook, we're familiar with Twitter, but I really want you to focus on how can this be used in the classroom. There's a lot of resources out there. A lot of people I work with that are kind of on the forefront of how to use these tools in education. And I don't want to dive too much into it because I think it kind of answers question 2 of the forum post if I kind of get into too much detail about how it is being used by people I know. I like to get your feedback first before I interject and things like that. So keep up the good work. Like I said, we'll get our posts in, kind of see where we are, and I'll talk to you again at the end of the week. Thanks.